back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in once again. If it's your first time tuning in, I drop new videos every week. Smash that subscribe button so you don't miss this heat, because I got plenty more heat coming. And also, leave a comment down below what you think about today's video. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you're thinking about purchasing any holsters or flashlights, my affiliate links will be pinned in the comment section. Use my affiliate link. I have a promo code for the Olight store. 10% off your order. It'll help you out. If you use my link, it'll help out the channel. I would greatly appreciate it. But hey, now that we done got that out the way, you've seen from the thumbnail, we're going to be checking out some footage from the range with my 7-inch AR pistol. The gun actually ran great, but in the video you're going to watch, in the beginning, I was in the process of zeroing in the red dot and the iron sights separately. I did edit it the best I can, that way you don't have to watch the whole process, because it took me a while to zero that in, both of them separately. Whenever I put them on, they actually already co-witnessed just fine. They lined up perfectly, so I just had to zero them separately. That way, if the red dot goes down, I can flip up the sights and they'll already be zeroed in as well. And I was impressed, man, I ain't gonna lie. It was throwing some nice fireballs and it shot very accurately. I was impressed. I felt very great about my little AR pistol, man. I think it's impressive. Without further ado, I'm gonna let you go ahead on and get to the footage, and make sure you come back, because we got some things to talk about, man. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. So stay tuned. I'll see you in a bit.
That is ringing over there. That bitch is pressure, cuz.
Welcome back, family. Thank you for staying with me this long. If you made it back, pat yourself on the back, because you're a real one, baby. Because I know a lot of my people, they not really into AR pistols. My subs are mostly interested in subcompacts, you know, shields, 43Xs, stuff like that. And hey, I am too, so I love it. So it's all good. But hey, I'm not gonna always do those type of videos though, so I gotta mix it up a little bit because I like more than just those, you know, like AR pistols. And hey, if you stayed this long, that either lets me know that you're really rocking with me like that, or you just really like AR pistols. And hey, we here because I'm really rocking with me like that too, and I love AR pistols, so I really appreciate you. But yeah, as you can see, the gun ran great. No malfunctions at all. I put about 200 rounds through it. You know, I bought a 200 round box of brass Winchester and I shot all of it. Plus what I had in my mags that I brought to the range. So yeah, I shot over 200 rounds and ran great. The recoil isn't that bad either. I did notice that it is a little bit more than the long rifles, but it's still nothing that a grown man can't handle. You know, it's not bad at all. Oh, matter of fact, I can't talk about it too much without showing y'all. For some people, it might be their first time tuning in. This is her. Fold it out. Pure D sexiness, man. If it's your first time tuning in, go check out that video where I did all my upgrades to it so you can stay up to date with the AR pistol build. But yeah, back to what I was saying. But yeah, it ran great. I think I have maybe like one more mod I want to do to it. I just haven't did it yet. I actually have it in my room sitting on the floor right now. That update's probably going to be coming soon. But if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I got plenty more heat like this coming. And if you like anything about this video, hit that thumbs up for me. Helps the channel grow. Helps with the algorithm as well. Greatly appreciated. And definitely holsters, flashlights. Don't forget about those affiliate links pinned in the comment section. If you want to purchase any of them, use my link. It'll definitely help the channel out. Greatly appreciate that as well. But hey, thank you for tuning in. Until, oh, hold up. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop the press. I almost forgot. I told y'all that we had something to talk about after the range footage. So yeah, let's get to that. Heat Nation, it is giveaway time. Lucky you stayed this long or you would have missed it, man. So I got 3 lucky subs who won the giveaway. I'm about to call out the names right now. Lucky sub number 1 is TN Nurse Medic. Lucky sub number 2 is Bill Taylor. And lucky sub number 3 is M3D Guns. Congratulations to my 3 lucky subs. As soon as you get a chance, go on my Instagram. I'll leave the name down here, Heat Life Gun Reviews, and hit my inbox and give me your address information so I can know where to send your gifts. But yeah, congratulations to the lucky subs. Thank you for tuning in this long. I will see you in a few more days because I got plenty more heat coming. Until next time, Heat Nation, we gonna holler.